In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scenario in Make.com. We'll walk through building a simple scenario from scratch using a watch records example so you can see how everything connects. By the end, you'll understand not just where to click, but why you're doing each step. First, open your Make.com account and head to your dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see all of your existing scenarios and create new ones. Make sure you're in the right organization or workspace if you have access to more than one, so the scenario ends up in the correct place. In the top right corner of the dashboard, look for the option to create records or create a new scenario and click it. This is what starts the process of building something new. Next, you'll be asked to choose the app you want to build your scenario around. This could be a database, a CRM, a spreadsheet tool, or any other connected app. Click on the app you want to use. Choosing the app first helps. Make.com know which options and modules to load for you. Once the app window opens, you'll see a list of modules. These are the specific actions or triggers you can use. For this walkthrough, select the module called Watch Records. This tells Make.com to monitor new or updated records in that app and use those changes to trigger your automation. Now it's time to configure that module. Start by clicking on the base drop-down. A base is usually the overall database or workspace you want to connect to. From the list that appears, choose the base whose records you want to watch. After that, click on the table drop-down. Here, you pick the specific table or sheet inside that base. Select the table that contains the records you want Make.com to monitor. Next, open the trigger field drop-down. The trigger field is what Make.com uses to detect changes, often a field like last modified or a date field. From the options presented, click on the field you want to use as your trigger. Then click on the label field drop-down. This is the field Make.com will use as the main name or label when showing you records. Choose name or a similar identifying field so records are easy to recognize later. Click Save to confirm these settings. You'll see an option related to which records to include. Select all so the scenario can apply to all relevant records, not just a subset, unless you have a specific filter in mind. Then click Save again to lock in this configuration. Finally, click on Run Once to test your scenario. This will execute the scenario a single time and let you see if records are being watched and pulled in correctly. Check the results to confirm everything is working as expected. Once it looks good, you're ready to use this scenario as the starting point for more advanced automation.